I think the most important thing a patient organization can do is to prepare yourself for a cure. Organize yourself in a way that makes you attractive to be studied. So, for example, registries. Organizing data sets, databases that collect the natural history of a disease. One other thing as a drug developer that is incredibly valuable is understanding the natural history. And if we have to create that ourselves, we're going to delay our program by 5 years or more while we try to put that together. Second is, if you can come to industry with a set of data, a set of individuals who are well studied, for whom you have data over a period of time, and say, this is a group that you can is eager to participate in your trials. Again, you've tremendously accelerated both the time and the quality of the research that's likely to be done. And in the same way, what we try to achieve in clinical trials is to find a homogeneous data set. In other words, you want a group of individuals who look more or less the same so that you can test one variable, which is your drug, while holding the others constant. So all of those things say that you as a patient organization are uniquely positioned to create that database. The second thing is, in interacting with the FDA, you have a critical role to play, and it's in the area of risk-benefit. You, as the representative or as a patient, are the one who's best positioned to make a decision to say, I know the drug works, I know it has side effects, how do I see the risk of that drug versus the risk of my disease untreated and its potential deterioration? FDA sits in judgment of that, that's their job, but you are the ultimate stakeholder. And finally, the last thing is, make yourself memorable. You're the face of the disease. Your story is the story that's going to be remembered. Again, I'd advise you against leading with data, leading with graphics. Lead with your story. That's what people will remember. That's how you'll have the greatest impact and move the world in the way you hope to have it moved.